Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with Mailchimp, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start saving with Mailchimp, first, log into your Mailchimp account. If you don't have an account, visit the Mailchimp website and create one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard and click on the Campaigns tab. Here, you can create a new campaign by selecting Create Campaign in the top right corner. Choose the type of campaign you wish to create, such as regular email or automated email. Next, give your campaign a name that reflects its purpose. Now, select your audience by clicking on Add Recipients. Choose the list you want to target for this campaign. After selecting your audience, click Save. Next, you will set up your email content by clicking Design Email. Once in the design editor, add your content, images, and calls to action. Make sure to keep your messaging clear and concise. After designing your email, click Continue to confirm. Review the details of your campaign, ensuring everything looks correct. Once satisfied, schedule your email or send it immediately. To further optimize your savings, utilize Mailchimp's built-in analytics tools. Track the performance of your campaigns through the Reports section. Analyze open rates and click-through rates to understand what works best. Experiment with different subject lines and designs for better engagement. By continuously refining your strategy, you'll maximize your savings with Mailchimp. Remember to utilize Mailchimp's automation features for efficient marketing. Set up automated workflows to save time and increase conversions effortlessly. Following these steps will help you effectively save and streamline your marketing efforts with Mailchimp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.